perfectly tender. Fragrant. Today, an entire Cambodian village will witness something extraordinary.
Inside this giant pot waits 100 kilograms of legendary chicken biryani.
Every grain is infused with rich Indian spices, cooked over traditional Cambodian firewood.
One village, one giant pot, one unforgettable feast.
Stay with us until the end and discover how this incredible giant chicken biryani. Hello everyone, I'm Chef Srey Khuch, and today we're bringing the rich flavors of India to our Cambodian village. Every unforgettable feast begins with fresh, naturally raised chickens. Only the freshest ingredients deserve to become part of our giant chicken biryani. The best meals always begin with fresh ingredients, gathered with care. Fresh herbs bring life, fragrance, and balance to every unforgettable biryani. Fresh herbs add brightness and balance to every bite. With every ingredient gathered, our village is one step closer to an extraordinary feast. Today, we'll prepare enough chicken to feed an entire village. Today, we'll prepare 100 kilograms of chicken biryani using fresh ingredients, fragrant Indian spices, and traditional firewood cooking. No biryani is complete without generous amounts of sweet caramelized onions. With every ingredient gathered, the real work can finally begin. The marinade is where the magic begins. Every piece must be covered completely to absorb the full depth of flavor. Every great biryani begins with the perfect cooking temperature. The chicken is ready. The spices are ready. Now it's time to awaken the fire. Every piece is gently stirred to build layers of flavor. Everything is ready. The fragrance spreads through the village, inviting everyone to the feast. Steady heat slowly transforms every grain of rice. Everything is ready. Now the journey to create the ultimate giant chicken biryani begins. To cook a feast this large, we first need a fire worthy of the challenge.
100 kilograms of chicken biryani, perfectly cooked.
Perfectly tender, exactly as it should be. Fragrant, and wonderfully balanced. Seeing everyone enjoy this meal makes every moment worthwhile. It takes many helping hands to carry a feast made for everyone. You're always welcome at our table. Thank you for sharing this unforgettable feast with us. Food has the power to bring every generation together. The happiest compliment comes from genuine smiles. In our village, respect begins by serving the elders first. A shared meal creates memories that last a lifetime. One giant pot has become a celebration for an entire village. Food is more than nourishment. It brings people together. Thank you for joining us on this incredible cooking journey. Your support inspires us to keep sharing stories through food. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you.